Hello, lovely viewers. This is Mr. Samuel Ebo Kofi from Ghana. I also hold the position of CEO of Oliver Ghanz and a managing director of Oliver Aluminium Works. So it's been about 19 years I've had BP issues and I have weight issues. Again, I do some tests periodically and I realized my liver was also having issues. My liver was so dark to the extent that it looked like someone who is a smoker and at the same time an alcoholic. So I was having some small ailments and some headaches. I was usually pushing the headaches to my BP and I'll take my BP drugs. I've always been on the orthodox drugs, but it wasn't helping lately. Then I contacted a friend who had been to India. And he said, no, I should leave Ghana and come to India for my medical treatment. And the good thing I realized was Dr. Vinod, through his healthcare, I've forgotten the name, I think it's JD Max. They processed everything for me. I told him, you know what, I cannot leave my wife in Ghana. I have to come with her, otherwise she'll be worried. Because for me, I have all the underlying factors. In terms of weight, I am diabetic. I have cholesterol issues, BP issues. In fact, all the issues you know of, just think about it. So she processed everything for us quickly. It took about a day or two, and we got our visits. I bought my ticket and came along with my wife. We did our tests at the Menepal Hospital. I've forgotten the name, but it's one of the great hospitals. And you could see the hospitality was good. I was even shocked because I thought Indians were racists. But it turns out they are actually lovely people. They took me through their tests and they realized, oh, this is something they can easily deal with. And I am testifying. I can testify that for 2 weeks that I took their medicines, and trust me, their medicines are herbal, they are all local medicines, they are not orthodox. 2 weeks. Whenever I check my sugar, it's normal. Even after I've taken, let's say, a bottle of Coke, which is supposed to spike my sugar levels up, now it is normal. Just 2 weeks. So I was like, oh, okay. So if you can do this in 2 weeks, can we deal with my liver issues? And for the liver, I think it was just about a week. I was feeling some pains on this part of my torso. And it has stopped. They checked my cholesterol level. I have the reports here. Everything is okay. They checked. I was also having frequent headaches, especially on this part, because there was a growth on my stem. Everything is gone. It's been about a week now. I've not been on BP drugs. I even have my machine here. I can test, I can check for you to see that my BP is normal. So for me, it's more like, even though I was going through a healthcare program, but it's more or less like a miracle as well. And thanks to Dr. Vinod, I don't even know what to say. If I know he's married, but if I had a daughter somewhere, maybe I'll link my daughter to him. I'll give my daughter to him free of charge. Take him. You take her away. Because I don't know how to thank him. I am so grateful. I am grateful. I am so grateful. Me and my family are grateful. You have no idea the way I am happy, because about a month ago, I felt like giving up. I knew I was dying. I knew I was dying. In fact, I knew I was dying. Whenever I look at my results and everything, I just weep and go to bed, hoping that maybe by the time I wake up, maybe I'll wake up to my death. If I see myself again, I'll be lying there motionless, because I had lost hope. And the monies I have wasted in Ghana trying to treat myself, all yielded to nothing. But I've been here for just a month. Accommodation provided, everything is part of my bill, and it's not expensive. So for you who is in another country, just come to India. Come and see Dr. Vinod. And you can see behind me JB Max. You can Google, book an appointment with him. And he has the patience and time. Even to the extent that every Friday he took us out to Barbecue Nation, where he checks our diet. So I used to weigh 119 when I was leaving Ghana. Today I'm weighing 105. It's just from diets. Because if I tell you the yoga exercise we did over there is not something to call exercise. But by the time you are done, you will feel body aches as if you actually went to the gym for a month. It's a simple exercise, but trust me, to help you. And we're going almost every day. We only miss Saturdays. No, we only miss Sundays. And for me and my family, all we can say is we are grateful to Dr. Vinod, and we are grateful to God for bringing such a person into our life. Because if he had not created him, we wouldn't have met him. So we give glory to God and to Dr. Vinod and your wife and your kids. We appreciate all that you've done for us, me and my family especially. We will forever be grateful. Thank you so much.